Next, to find the inverse of Z transformation, inverse Z transformation by using power series, right? We know power series is an infinite series in the form summation n is equal to 0 to infinite Cn x minus a power n, right? Where Cn is the coefficient of nth term, right? C1, C2, C3, C0, C1, C2, C3, all the coefficients of the power series, right? For the terms, first term, second term, like that. And A is a constant, that is nothing but the center of the series, right? And x is a variable. The only variable is x, right? Example, summation x power n, 1x x square plus x cube. Here the center is x minus 0 whole square, right? And C1, C2, C3 is 1 for all the terms, 1 into x square, right? Sin x can be written as x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x power 5 by factorial 5 minus etc. Cos x expansion 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x power 4 by factorial 4 minus etc. Similarly, e power x 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus etc. Then log 1 plus x is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus etc. 1 minus x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 etc. etc. These are all the examples of the power series. So now the method to find inverse Z transformation. In this method, the inverse Z transformation f of n of f of z is obtaining by expanding f of z in power series. So given a function that is nothing but capital F of z, so you have to expand that function, right? That function capital F of z in power series, right? Then we can find out f of n, small f of n directly. That is inverse Z transformation. Let us see. Find the inverse Z transformation of log 1 minus 2z, where mod z is less than 1 by 2. Let f of z is equal to log 1 minus 2z. We know that 1 minus x, log 1 minus x is equal to minus x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus etc. Where mod x is less than 1, right? Take x is equal to 2z. This implies, given mod z is less than 1 by 2, that means 2z cross multiply or multiply by 2 on both sides, you will get 2z which is less than 1. Therefore, f of z, 2z is less than 1 means, so 2z is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So you can use log 1 minus x formula. Instead of x, you can replace 2z, right? So therefore, f of z which is equal to log 1 minus 2z is equal to minus 2z plus 2z square by 2 plus 2z cube by 3 etc. And minus 1 less than 2z less than 1. So log 1 minus x, that formula expansion is possible only x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. That is why we are concluding that 2z also lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So which can be written as minus common, take it outside, summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 2z power n by n, which is equal to, we have to change the summation from n is equal to 0. So instead of n equal to 1, we are replacing n equal to 0 to infinite. Therefore, instead of n in the power or in the summation, you replace n by n plus 1, right? So you will get summation minus summation n is equal to 0 to infinite 2z power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Replace n by n plus 1. That's all. Simple, right? Because you need n is equal to 0. So there the summation is starting from n equal to 1. Replace n by n plus 1. Take the plus 1 to the other side of the inequality. You will get n is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0 automatically. So that is why we are replacing n by n plus 1 is equal to separating the power 2 power n plus 1 z power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So f of z, which is equal to minus n is equal to 0 to infinite 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1, then z power minus of, right, we are taking minus, right, minus of minus n plus 1, because we know z transformation is of f of n, which is equal to summation f of n z power minus n, that is why, right. So we are adding and we are multiplying minus into minus, right. So you will get plus, right, that is 1. We know that f of z is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite f of n z power minus n, comparing 1 and 2. Therefore, if you are having n, right, z of f of n, then the power of n is z is minus n. So here the power of z power minus n plus 1. So we replace n by minus n plus 1. That's all. So f of minus n plus 1, which is equal to minus 2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Right? Taking replace n plus 1 by n, you will get f of minus n is equal to minus 2 power n by n, by replacing n plus n 1 by n. Now replace n by minus n again, right? Or minus n, replace minus n by n. So it is equal to minus 2 power n by minus n. So 2 power minus n divided by minus n. So minus into minus cancel. So you will get 2 power minus n by n. That is the required inverse Z transformation.